Hey, good morning, English 1 students. And today we're going to talk about book clubs, which we actually low-key began last week, but some of you still have not made a novel selection. I need you to know that it's super important that you choose a novel and you get with me about how to get that novel, because this 6 weeks, the six weeks, will focus on, the first 3 weeks will be focusing on reading the text, and then we will use that text that you select to help you with your research project. Okay, so it's important that you get the book read in the next 3 weeks, and so that you can do the research project that goes along with the final academic achievement grade. Okay, so today we'll be working on making text connections, and you'll be doing your reading. So let me tell you about a few things you can find in the folder today. So in this folder, so I'm in the week 31, April 12th, April 16th folder. And we are going to go ahead and take a look at the Monday folder. For today, you're going to think about what connections you can make, because the books are more interesting once you have made text connections with your book club novel. So for the next 3 weeks, you're going to be focusing on reading that book. You're going to view today my lesson overview. It'll be short. You need to know, again, that this book club, reading this book, is an academic achievement grade. Doing the assignments that go along with it, that's a process grade, and you will receive an academic achievement grade for completing the assignments and for staying on target with your book. So today, you'll want to read until you meet your book club novel goal. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to show you in a moment how to figure out how many pages you need to read a day in order to be finished by April 30th. April 30th is the deadline. Complete the Practice It Text Connections quiz question when you're finished today. And don't forget to complete your attendance question. So your assignment is to read and to make note of connections that you can make with your book. So does a character remind you of yourself, or is there something else about the book that reminds you of something that happened to someone you know? Is there something in the book that reminds you of something that's going on in our world today? Or can you make connections with another text, either that you viewed or you have read? So a TV show, a book, an article, that's a text-to-text connection. So you'll answer the question here about what kind of connection you can make. Make sure you answer and complete sentences, and do the Prove It attendance question. All right, so let's look at the folder overall, the week 31 folder. When I scroll down, I find at the very bottom, let me move this where y'all can see it, I find a book club novels folder, and I have listed out the 5 novel choices. Now, I checked those books out to people all last week, but now you'll have to get with me because I've taken those out of the office. So for The Hate U Give, it's kind of a lengthy novel, and you need to read about 29 or 30 pages a day in order to get finished with it. If you have already started it, you may be further along, but this is roughly a guideline about where you need to be each day of the week. Notice I haven't included any days of the weekend. You can obviously get caught up, but in order to get finished by Friday, April 30th, you're going to need to read a good chunk, okay? And I've tried to make it where you finish at a chapter because it's difficult to get, to stop in the middle of a page, okay? So make sure that you're kind of making those kinds of decisions for yourself where you stop. Now, if you need the audio link, you can click here, and I have included the links to YouTube, free YouTube services where you can have it read to you so you can listen to it while you read the text, okay? I encourage you to do both. Don't try to just listen to the text because it's difficult to stay focused and really get the detail. So you need to read it along with listening to it. Okay, so I've given you instructions on how to get to that, and you can do that for each of the novels listed. I have the reading schedule and the YouTube audio on this page. So if you lose the schedule, again, it's in the Book Club Novels folder. All right, so today's focus, don't forget, is to read, get to your right reading goal page. Start off on the right foot here, get to the right place. And if you haven't picked up a copy of the book, get with me to figure out how. This is the, my grades are going in. So if you did not complete assignments, I'll have to email you, your parents, about what you can do maybe to meet that goal. I don't know. It's really important. Let me just say this. Please don't wait till the end of the 6 weeks to try to do all your assignments. Do all of your assignments every day so you don't have that problem. Okay? All right. I'll be talking to some of you individually. Other than that, I want you to have a blessed day and get to reading in your book club book. More details to follow. Have a good day.